How to hide like counts on Instagram posts. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Now, first of all, you have to open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, then you have to go on the profile option that is located down below and click on that. As you click on the profile option, now you have to select the post that you want to hide the comments or hide the reactions or hide the likes on. Now click on the post and then go on these three line dots that are located up above and click on them. As you click on these three dots, then you have to go down and there will be an option of hide like count. Now by clicking on hide like count option, you will be able to hide your likes count. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.